Designed with young professionals in mind, this ultimate personal finance planner is set to manage your finances in a smartest way. With Notion's powerful databases and flexibility, you will be empowered to take control of your finances, build wealth, and hit your financial freedom. Starting off, we'll look at accounts where you check your remaining balances. Here in Income page, this month income section shows list of income for your convenience. Also, along with the details you've provided. By category section allows you to filter the income type so that you'll get a clearer picture. Lastly, past income record are displayed on a monthly basis. Next, positioned at the top of the page, this month's expenses deliver you with the expense items for that particular month. Also, the expenses above $1,000 shows you the top expense items, while this month's budget section is displayed on monthly basis, so you just need to take a glimpse of it. The same goes to past income record, which shows you the expenses on monthly basis. Lastly, it's the monthly budget overview section to keep you on track with your budget spending for each expense item. Moving on to subscriptions and bills. First thing you'll see is the overview, which calculates your monthly and yearly cost, followed by category section where it is grouped by your subscription type. Inside that, you'll see the details such as monthly pricing, starting date, status, etc. At the bottom of the page, all of your subscription items along with their properties will be displayed clearly. Utilities bill page take a same structure and layout of subscription page. It shows you the details such as overview, by category section, and all of your bill items along with its related properties. In Assets and Liabilities page, the first thing you'll see is the Net Worth section, which calculates your total net worth, total assets, and total liabilities in one glance. Below that, Asset Overview section provides you with the kind of asset you own, current asset worth, and income generated from it. Likewise for Liabilities Overview, in which you'll see amount due, initial amount paid, liabilities amount, and its progress. As for Assets Breakdown, it will provide you with all the details for your particular asset. Same goes for Liabilities Breakdown. Next, financial goals. By setting your target amount and duration time, the system will auto-generate the expected monthly savings that you need to save up to reach that goal. We hope it will motivate you to hit them. Financial Goals Record section will keep the list of transactions you made in order to hit that goal. Lastly, Finance Reports. It is divided into this month, monthly report, quarterly report, and yearly report. The purpose of this report is to show you with all the expenses and income calculations along with its item, so that you can make informed decisions in the future.